Hey guys, from today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use referral codes in Temu. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to use coupons or your friend's referral code. So, Temu is an online shopping app, and the products they have are actually pretty cheap, so I suggest you download this app if you're really into online shopping because they have a lot of discounts and sales, and the shipping is fast. If you make a new account, you have free shipping for the next 10 hours, so you better spend your money when you make your account. So now I'm gonna teach you how to use the referral code. So go to the app, go to this icon right here, then tap on coupons and offers, and basically just type your referral code there, and that's it. It's pretty simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.